Your next car could be the 2021 Ram 2500. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take the big jobs in stride in the Ram 2500. Its blend of heavy-duty capability, passenger comfort, and connected technology will see you through. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless start, satellite radio, chrome wheels, heated mirrors, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, traction control, split bench seat. Don't take risks in a truck that's not up to the task. Get the Ram 2500 and power up.